GOLOZA upgraded digital alarm clock for bedroom is designed to bring simplicity, visibility, and convenience into a daily routine. It focuses on doing the basics well while adding practical modern features that make it more useful than a standard bedside clock. For anyone looking for a cleaner and more functional way to manage time in the bedroom, this type of alarm clock offers a straightforward upgrade that fits easily into everyday life. One of the most noticeable strengths of this digital alarm clock is its easy-to-read display. A bedroom clock needs to be visible at a glance, especially during the night or early morning, and this design focuses on clear time visibility without requiring extra effort. Large digital numbers make it easier to check the time from across the room or while half awake, which is one of the most important qualities in a bedside clock. The upgraded design also suggests a more refined user experience compared to basic digital clocks. Instead of simply showing time, this type of clock is typically built to offer more convenient controls, clearer display settings, and a more modern bedside presence. It is designed to fit naturally into bedrooms without feeling outdated or overly complicated, making it suitable for both minimalist and functional setups. Another strong advantage is how practical it is for everyday use. A good bedroom alarm clock should be reliable, easy to set, and simple to operate without frustration. This model focuses on convenience, making tasks like checking the time, setting alarms, and adjusting settings more user-friendly. That ease of use is especially important for people who prefer straightforward devices without unnecessary complexity. The alarm function itself is one of the most important features, and the design is centered around helping users wake up more reliably. Whether used for work schedules, school mornings, or general routine management, a dependable alarm clock adds structure to the day. Having a dedicated bedside alarm can also reduce reliance on smartphones, which many users prefer for better sleep habits and fewer distractions at night. Its compact bedroom-friendly design is another practical benefit. It fits easily on nightstands, desks, or shelves without taking up much space, while still remaining clearly visible and accessible. This makes it a useful addition not only for bedrooms, but also for guest rooms, offices, or study spaces where quick-time visibility is helpful. Overall, the GOLOZA upgraded digital alarm clock for bedroom delivers a simple and reliable solution for everyday time management. It combines easy readability, practical alarm functionality, and a clean modern design, making it a strong choice for anyone who wants a dependable bedside clock that keeps daily routines more organized.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.